Hello and welcome to Web Learning, where knowledge is shared. In this quick video I'll show the new solar panel that I got for my LED solar system. The old one didn't have enough power and the battery was draining quite quick. So I got this Banggood and I'll leave the link below. There isn't a lot of light, but still it's and the current is 0.52. Again, there is not a lot of sunlight, but if there was, then I would get a much better reading. You can see my solar panel goes into here and then into the shed. From inside it goes and powers up everything, and then you can see the LEDs. That's it. The new solar panel is installed. We'll give it some time for the battery to charge. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Remember to click to subscribe, and I'll see you the next time.